Okay, so I'm going to show you guys another method to find keywords and find keywords quickly. It's a bit of a hack, a bit of a trick. I'm the only person that does use this method as far as I know. There are a few other methods that you can use and a few other tools that you can use to find keywords, but a lot of them are paid methods and you have to buy tools and pay extra money, and it's just a waste of time. But for our very first product, I'm going to show you how to use this free tool. So all you have to do is search for SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool and click on this first link, semrush.com/analytics, SEO Magic Start. And it's going to take you to a website that we're going to use to generate keywords. This is a free site. I think you just have to sign up for a free trial and it gives you around 10,000 searches or something like that per day, which is more than enough for our first product. So that's perfectly fine. So we're going to go ahead and select the US market here. And we're going to enter our keyword, and our keyword is sleeping bag, and go ahead and hit search. And what this is going to do is it's going to search for our keyword, and we can see that there's this volume of 74,000, so there's about 74,000 searches for this keyword every month. And then all we're going to do is that you'll see it's got suggestions: kids, bear, winter, toddler, ultralight. We're going to export this. So we can export it with groups or without groups, doesn't really matter. All we want are the keywords. And once you've exported that, you're going to save it and then open it in either Excel or Google Sheets. I use Google Sheets, and you'll get this. It'll be automatically aligned by volume, so basically the number of searches for those specific things. What we're going to do is we're going to go and select our top favorites. So you can see the volume is 90, 90, 90. Maybe for this we can go all the way down to, let's say 40, the end of 40. And we're going to copy that. Then we're going to take these keywords and paste it into this website, tracemyip.org, /tools/remove duplicate words in text. And like I said before, what Amazon does is they only need one version of each keyword. So you don't need to say sleeping bag multiple times. You don't need to say sleeping bag for kids, sleeping bag for babies, sleeping bag for adults. Just once, and one of this each variation. So what this is going to do, it's going to remove all the repeating keywords and just give us one of each. So we're going to select this and we're going to paste those keywords from that Excel document in here. Click on original order, and there we go. Now we've got a list of keywords, only once each. So what we can do is then we can go through this and filter out words that might not at all be related to our product. For example, things like just numbers, 18 we get rid of, 0 to 6 months, maybe that could work because that's an identifier. Tog, maybe a tog bag that you take with when you go camping. Foot muff, I don't even know what that is. Minnie Mouse, so you can take things like that out. And once you've got your set of keywords, just copy that again into your document with a single space in between each keyword. So you can see, for example, baby sleeping bags. Sleeping bags is only mentioned once in this entire thing. So then you could also use another keyword tool called keywordtool.io, and it's a very similar thing where you just enter your keyword, sleeping bag, hit search, select which market you're on, make sure you're selected for Amazon, and then it'll give you examples for keywords. You can also pay for these services to get more keywords, but that's completely up to you. There, for example, here we got compression sack, pad, adult. These are all relating to the search terms on Amazon, like we discussed in the Amazon research for keywords. Again, we can just export this to Excel and then open it up in Excel, and we've got that list of keywords again. We can copy these and then paste it into here again and just add to our original list, and then use those keywords when generating our keywords in the back end of our listing.